There is nothing as such as Lamani. We have to correct this word. Lamani is a tribe. It's a scheduled tribe. We can call them as hawkers. Hawkers and control no. Hawkers and stop करपाची गरज आहे. And you come to Kalangut, we have removed all of them from the main road. Bichacher थोडे हा अजूनही हा चोरिया business करतात. They are hawkers. And if any tribe is hurt, I would say sorry, because we respect the Lamanis, because they are finally a tribe which is in Goa for many years. I jodor goinchi gora banल्या खूपशी जाल्यार they were the people who have dug the ground आणि फातर तासून plaster केल्लो. So I have already spoken to him over the phone that there was a mistake on his part. What he wanted to say was hawkers and not Lamanis. So I would correct it. And if anybody is hurt, the leaders had come to me also, and I told them that on behalf of the minister I would apologize. He did not mean to say Lamanis, he meant to say hawkers.